Thousands of refugees over the past few years continue to face challenges.
Rumah tada, makan tada, duit tara tengok, saya tara kerja, anak kisi-kisi.
There is not enough food, not enough money, not enough water. They cannot enough money to survive their life. How they spend much money on sanitary pad?
Ever since young, I've always wanted to help people, especially refugees or women or marginalized communities.
I want to be a part of this project because I want them to know that it is okay. It is normal to have periods.
I've seen the refugees, I've talked to them, and I thought, if I can make an impact, if I have the resources, have the time, have the energy to do something like that, and the team to do it, why not?
My name is Chen Feng. I'm a participant of last year's Launchpad project and also a trainer for this year. Last year, our Launchpad project started with a simple briefing of background of the refugees that we are reaching out to, which we have to pay a site visit.
So we're now actually heading to our first house.
We asked her questions about herself, like her family, her economic status, and like what she felt about her status as a refugee, how it had changed from before and after. And then we talked to her about feminine health, like menstrual cycles, like sexual health, like does she know about her body, and also family planning.
We are involved in the whole process of designing a pad for them.
We tried to figure out how are we going to help these refugees through planning methods, evaluation and all those.
We thought about ideas, we had to scrap them, we thought about things that would work out and it actually worked out and we were proud of it.
Today we learned how to make reusable pads.
And I think it's a very interesting experience because I've never made something like that.
We learned about the type of materials that were appropriate and how easily accessible they are and why is it so important.
I think sex education is so important because there's so many things that we probably don't know about.
Having PMS shouldn't be taboo because it's something all girls will experience.
With the sex ed workshop that we're providing for them, the whole family planning, things that we're going to teach them, it can help with them financially.
So eventually, on all our hard work, we managed to make the whole project a success. For last year, we used strings to stabilize our pads, but this year, we are making it into wings and buttons. Because based on last year's feedback from refugees, they found out that the ties were a bit uncomfortable and a bit heavy.
Personally, I believe that it is our duty as a fellow human being to help others, not just the refugees, but even those who are poor or who are homeless. I really hope we can do more to help everyone around the world.